Hi, Chris Johnson here with ElementarySchoolAssemblies.com, Chris Johnson's Amazing School Assemblies. I want to thank you for visiting my webpage. This particular webpage is all about the goofy, kooky math show. As you know, sometimes it's hard to get kids interested in math. Now, this particular show does not teach kids math, but it does get them more motivated about math. We get kids excited about math in fun ways using games and contests and magic, and there's different content based on the age level of the kids. We also reinforce certain concepts too, such as perimeter, circumference, fractions, division, subtraction. We reinforce a lot of the concepts they already hear every day. And like all of my school assembly programs, the Goofy Cookie Math Show has a very large banner and backdrops in order to enhance the theatrical experience of the entire show for all of the kids. Now, like all of my school assembly programs, there are different versions of this particular program. We've got versions for grades K through 2, 3 through 5, and even 6 through 8. Yes, there's even a middle school version of the Goofy Cookie Math Show. So check out some clips from the Goofy Cookie Math Show.
Cool, so now hold on to your rope, and you can untangle yourself there. I don't know what you did there. Okay, watch me very carefully. What I want all of you to do is take your rope like this, drop it down on the floor in front of you. Good. Now what you're going to do is, and I'm going to do this up here because everybody in the audience can see, is I'm going to cross my arms like this. Watch me. Put one hand on my elbow. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Put one hand on my elbow, my other hand down here like this. So I've got one hand up here, one hand down here. I've got my arms in a knot. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here without taking the knot out of my arms. I'm going to pick up the ends of the rope. I'm not going to let go of the ends, but I'm going to untie my arms, transferring the knot to the rope, just like that. It's a very special kind of thing called homology. In each bucket. Here we go. Go ahead, dude. All right, he's got the chickens. Let's see here. He's got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Oh, there's an even number there. There's an even number there. Some of you are thinking he's doing a trick, and you're right, because you can make one of these too. Check this out. It looks like I have 4, but really there's 5 dots there. So if you put one hand, and you can make this with a piece of cardboard and some markers, if you put one hand over this dot, it looks like 4. Because when you start learning things from the world, your brain starts looking for patterns, so your brain thinks of that as 4. If you cover it over here, then your brain automatically fills in a dot over here and thinks, so there's 6, because your brain's looking for patterns. And the other side is the same way too, so depending on where you put your hand, depends on how many dots people will think they see. And over here is the same way. There's one dot here, and there's a second one right here. So if you have your hand over here, it looks like 1 dot. Your hand over here, it looks like 3 dots. Depending on where you put your hand, the brain fills in what it thinks it's going to see. It just depends on where you want to put it. However, if we use a little bit of magic, we can actually show 6. We use a little bit more magic, we can actually show 3. We use a lot of magic, we can actually show 8. How about that, everybody? First of all, let me ask you all, how many of you guys think you're smart? Raise your hands. Okay, it looks like about 160 kids and no teachers. Would you guys like to have a contest between you and the teachers? Okay. Here's the deal. If you guys beat the teachers in this contest, you guys will get to see in your division. If the teachers win, you guys just go back to class. You gotta do this, the way that I set it up, because it seems so unfair. If you guys, you know what a majority is, right? A percentage? If you have a majority percentage of the 7 questions, how many questions do you need to answer correctly to have a majority? The blue shirt dude, how many questions out of 7 do you need to answer to have a majority? 4, very good. So if you win 4 questions, you guys get to see the contest, but I want to see just how good you guys are. Let's see how good, if you guys can outwit the teachers and have a clean sweep. Are you guys